You probably already know just how much I use and enjoy the HONOR CHOICE TWS earbuds. It's been over a year since I first did an unboxing video, and in that time since, I've reflected on how much I use this on a daily basis. However, we now have a new challenger to the throne. This is the brand new HONOR Earbuds 2 Lite. Let's open it up and see what you get in the box. I wanted to start with a clean comparison of the box design. Essentially, it's got a much clearer visual impact. It doesn't have quite as many features listed on the box. That's not a negative here. In fact, it just makes it easier to read what are the standout features, including the battery, the active noise cancellation, and also the 10-minute charge giving you 4 hours of joy, as listed right here. Worth noting that the only language present is also English. Long-term viewers will know that I generally manage to cut my fingers open during unboxings, but I actually managed to not hurt myself this time, which makes a first. You might be able to notice that the 32-hour battery life and active noise cancellation is also listed on the side of the box. Jumping back to the comparison, you'll see that the actual presentation is quite a bit different. However, I should probably point out here that whilst the Earbuds 2 is the latest version of the headphones from HONOR, it is not the direct successor to the TWS Choice earbuds. So you would expect that there's going to be a bit of difference here between them. The wrapping itself on the new earbuds is really slick. You can also see the HONOR logo proudly visible underneath the clear packaging, which is something that was missing off the Choice model. And I've got to admit, I did enjoy taking my time peeling this off. It was strangely satisfying. The main visual difference between the two models is the size of the unit itself. The charging case is much thinner and sleeker. And of course, this is the white version. I believe there's also a black version available, although I haven't seen that in the UK yet. The actual mechanism for opening the lid is very smooth. And straight off, you can see there's battery in the box on delivery, and it's already going into pair mode. It's trying to find something to connect to. There's quite a bit of difference between the design aesthetic of the earbuds themselves. The head seems smaller, yet the stem is longer, and it slides into the case very easily. Moving away from a direct comparison, what else do you get in the box itself? Well, unsurprisingly, it's a USB cable. One of the ends is USB-C with a regular USB on the other side of it. I have no idea what these are for, so we'll just ignore those. Pulling this out shows you what looks to be the last part of the packaging, and I want to take care of this because I've been looking forward to this for a while, and great, I've ripped it. Oh well. Here we go. So these also come with a replacement large and small option to go onto the end of the earbuds. The unit ships with medium pre-installed, but I highly recommend that you try the large or the small tips to see which one fits in your ear best. And this just leaves the manual and quick start guide. We're just going to leave that there. Lastly, I wanted to see how long this USB cable is, and this turned into a minor disaster, as you can witness, I could not get the cardboard off. And this probably speaks more volumes about my idiocy in not using the knife and just trying to use brute strength. But I got there in the end, and the length of the cable is about 1 meter long, which is a good size. We're going to take a deeper dive into the specs on the Earbuds 2 Lite in the next couple of weeks, focusing on the active noise cancellation, the awareness mode on there, and unsurprisingly, the frankly awesome battery life. But before all that, let's see how easy it is to link my Earbuds 2 Lite to my HONOR 20. I've not connected these previously. All I have to do is open up the case for the first time, it automatically registers on the screen, select connect, and that's it. We're off. Time to enjoy the music.